variety of vegetables daily provides essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support overall health. Adults should aim for at least 400 g, about 5 portions, of fruits and vegetables daily to lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Cabbage offers significant health benefits for women, particularly for easing breast discomfort during lactation and reducing chronic inflammation. Relieve breast pain with cabbage leaves. Applying chilled or room temperature cabbage leaves to the breasts is a safe, inexpensive, and effective home remedy to reduce discomfort associated with breast engorgement, swelling, and pain, especially during early breastfeeding or weaning. They act by reducing inflammation and promoting, or, in some cases, suppressing milk supply, often reducing pain within 20 minutes. Breast pain, mastalgia, is usually caused by hormonal fluctuations, cyclic, or muscular strain, non-cyclic, and often resolves without intervention. Immediate relief involves wearing a supportive or sports bra, applying heat-cold packs, and taking OTC medication, ibuprofen. Long-term relief includes reducing caffeine, salt, and fat, and managing stress. Using cabbage leaves on breasts is a traditional home remedy primarily used by women to manage breast engorgement, swelling and pain from milk buildup during breastfeeding. Primary benefits and uses: relieves engorgement and pain. Applying chilled cabbage leaves can significantly reduce the hardness and throbbing pain in breasts, typically occurring between the 3rd and 5th day after childbirth. Reduces inflammation. Cabbage contains plant compounds like sinigrin and mustard oil that may help dilate local capillaries, improve blood supply, and allow the body to reabsorb trapped fluids. Assists with weaning. For women wanting to dry up their milk supply, frequent and prolonged application of cabbage leaves can help speed up the process by suppressing milk production. Soothes mastitis. While not a cure for infection, cabbage compresses can provide symptomatic relief for the pain and swelling associated with mastitis. How to use cabbage leaves. Prepare. Choose a fresh green cabbage and remove the outer leaves. Chill. Refrigerate the leaves for about 20 to 30 minutes. Chilled leaves provide extra relief through cold fermentation. Shape. Wash and dry the leaves. You can crush the thick veins or use a rolling pin to make the leaf more flexible to fit your breast. Apply. Place the leaf directly on the breast inside a bra, leaving the nipple exposed to avoid irritation. Timing. Leave the leaf on for about 20 minutes or until it wilts. Frequency. If you are still breastfeeding, limit use to 2 to 3 times a day. Stop as soon as you feel relief to avoid accidentally drying up your milk supply. Important precautions. Milk supply. Overuse can decrease your milk production significantly. Medical care. Cabbage leaves relieve symptoms but do not treat infections. If you have a fever, body aches, or a persistent lump, consult a healthcare provider. Skin sensitivity. Check for any skin redness or irritation, as some individuals may have a rare reaction to cabbage. Key benefits of cabbage leaves on breasts. Reduced engorgement and swelling. Chilled cabbage leaves help alleviate the intense pain, hardness, and swelling of engorged breasts. Anti-inflammatory and cooling. The leaves contain anti-inflammatory properties, providing a natural cold compress effect that soothes inflamed tissue. Pain relief. They are effective in reducing pain related to the initial milk coming in, oversupply, or weaning. Support for weaning. Using cabbage leaves can assist in drying up milk supply and reducing discomfort during the weaning process. Potential mastitis management. They are used as a complementary treatment to ease pain while managing bacterial mastitis. Key management strategies and how to use them. Supportive bra. Wear a well-fitting, supportive bra, especially a sports bra during exercise, to reduce movement and strain. Consider wearing a soft bra at night if pain is severe. Topical pain relievers. Apply non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen gel directly to the affected breast area to reduce tenderness and pain. OTC oral medications. Use pain relievers like ibuprofen or paracetamol to manage discomfort, particularly for pain that starts 7 to 10 days before menstruation. Warm or cold compress. Apply a warm compress, cold pack, or a heating pad to the area to soothe tenderness. Applying cabbage leaves to the breasts is a well-regarded, natural, and inexpensive home remedy used primarily by breastfeeding women to alleviate pain and swelling associated with breast engorgement and mastitis. While it may seem like a folk remedy, small studies indicate it is effective for short-term relief, sometimes performing as well as or better than ice packs. Key breast health benefits: reduced engorgement and swelling. Chilled cabbage leaves help reduce the hardness, edema, and swelling of breasts, particularly in the first few days of breastfeeding. Pain relief. The leaves contain compounds like sinigrin, magnesium, and sulfur that help dilate blood capillaries and promote blood flow, easing inflammation. Support for breastfeeding. By reducing pain and swelling, it can make it easier for mothers to continue breastfeeding, potentially increasing the overall duration of breastfeeding. Assistance in weaning. Cabbage leaves can be used to speed up the process of drying up milk supply when weaning. How to use cabbage leaves: select and prepare. Use green or white cabbage. Rinse the leaves thoroughly and pat them dry. Chill. Place the leaves in the refrigerator to cool them, which provides added comfort. Avoid freezing, as this can break down the tissue too much. Shape. Remove the thick veins or cut the leaves to fit comfortably around the breast, keeping the nipple and areola exposed. Apply. Place the leaves over the breast tissue, not the nipple, and wear a bra to hold them in place. Duration. Leave them on for roughly 20 to 30 minutes, or until the leaves feel warm and wilted. Frequency. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. Stop. Stop using the leaves as soon as the engorgement eases, as continued use can reduce your milk supply. The primary benefits revolve around soothing the pain, swelling, and inflammation associated with breast engorgement, particularly in the first few days after birth or during weaning. Top reported benefits and uses: relief from engorgement. Chilled cabbage leaves help reduce the swelling, tightness, and pain when breasts are overfull with milk. Reduces inflammation. Cabbage contains natural plant compounds that may help reduce inflammation in tender or irritated breast tissue. Assists with weaning. The cooling effect and potential compounds can help reduce milk supply and ease the weaning process. Soothing effect. The cold, soft texture of the leaves acts as a natural, soothing compress on sensitive breast tissue. Mild mastitis symptoms. It is used as a comfort measure to reduce pain in early or mild cases of mastitis. How to use. Social media guide. Influencers and nurses, such as in this video, suggest the following steps. Chill. Refrigerate green cabbage leaves. Prep. Wash the leaves and remove the tough outer leaves. Prepare. Trim the leaves to fit the breast, breaking the veins to release beneficial compounds. Apply. Place the leaves inside your bra, ensuring the nipple is left exposed. Duration. Leave on for about 20 to 40 minutes or until the leaves become warm or wilt. Repeat. Apply 2 to 3 times a day as needed. Important considerations: reduces milk supply. Because it reduces engorgement so well, it can actually reduce milk supply, so it should be used cautiously if you are trying to increase your supply. Not a replacement for care. It is a support measure, not a replacement for proper breastfeeding support or medical care for severe mastitis. Not for damaged skin. Avoid placing leaves directly on broken or cracked nipples. Science behind it. While many moms swear by it, some experts believe the benefit comes more from the cold compress effect rather than the cabbage itself. The world of health and wellness in 2026 is moving toward hyper-personalization.